For this week's quick recipe, we'll be making Rizwana's spinach and potato pakora with Shaz's mint and yoghurt dip. For the dip, take some mint leaves and fresh coriander and add to a blender cup. Add chopped tomatoes, ground chilies and spices and blend until smooth. Add some salt and plenty of plain yoghurt, mix together and keep in the fridge. For the pakora, peel and julienne potatoes. Finely chop fresh spinach, fresh coriander, green chilies, garlic and onion and place everything in a large bowl. Add a mix of dry spices, gram flour, salt and water and mix thoroughly. Scoop spoonfuls of the mixture into a pan of hot oil and fry until brown and crunchy. Drain well on kitchen roll and serve immediately alongside the chilled dip.